Hi again, and welcome back to Jim Vernon Solutions and the Codecademy Basics series. We left off on part 4 of the Welcome to Codecademy lesson, where we were changing colors. I don't know if this is exactly where I left off, but I changed the color in here to blue. You can see that. And the message says change the color. We could type any changes in here we want to and rerun. I'll change this to purple, and I'll rerun it just to show one more time to reinforce that. Okay, so if we now move to the next part of the lesson, screen 5 talks about multiple colors. And again, I encourage you to either pause and read the instructions or follow along with your own version of Codecademy. I'll scroll down to allow you to read the rest of them. And one thing I should have mentioned in the last one is that you will encounter hints. You can see there's a little yellow band here. It says stuck, get a hint. And if you open that up, it'll give you an example of how to do things. In this case, the instructions are telling us to experiment with the colors. And you can change any of these numbers in the sequence here. It's suggesting we change the 0 in the red definition to 130. So let's do that and we'll see what happens. We change that to a 130 and hit run. The red M, P, and L will change colors, and you'll see it actually makes them a shade of green. I'm not sure why it makes them green. We'll have to learn that in a future lesson, I would think. I'm going to change that back to 0 and rerun it so that they're red again and just try a different color. So if we take the green now and maybe make that 75 a 0, so the ones that are green now are, I believe, the L, the E, and the R. They went from green to a deep red color, I guess, and so forth. So you can experiment with colors to see how they display, and that's the lesson on this screen. So let's pause here, and we'll continue with the next one in the series.